Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this problem quickly and effectively. In the first step, go to search bar and type your device manager and open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the display adapters. Right click on the particular device and select properties. Once we are here, go to driver tab and click on update driver. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So what you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and the problem will be solved. Once on this window, we need to click on search automatically for drivers. So click here and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close these two windows and expand the monitors. Then right click on the particular device, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Now select the first option, and once done, close all windows one by one. Go to search bar, type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Select S. Now here we need to execute the two commands. The first one will be the chkdsk and hit enter. So this command will take few seconds to complete the procedure. Once done, we need to move to the next command, that will be gp update, and then hit enter to execute this command. So this command will take few seconds again, we need to wait for it. And the last command will be the sfc space / scan now and hit enter. So this command will take a lot of time, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. So it will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete the procedure, but if you are doing the first time this method or this command, then it will take around 20 to 25 minutes to complete the process. But you must have to complete up to the 100% and the problem will be solved. Then type exit and close this window and simply restart your system. And there we go. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.